Hey everyone, Dave from Past Outdoors. I just wanted to take the time just to go through one of our favourite little cook sets. It's the SOTO Navigator two-piece cook set. It's one of our shop little favourites. This one we've been using for a few years and it gets passed around quite a bit and we just love it. You can cook on the stove, wood stove, gas stove, multi-fuel, electric BBQs even. We've used it on everything and we just love it. Okay, inside the box, the cook set comes in a nice little carry bag, which is big enough to fit something else. If you want to fit like a little 8-inch pan over it, you can, that's no problems. Okay, each lid on each pot comes with, it's got the straining lid, the lid doubles as a cutting board, and you can just place your gas canisters on it if you need to. The inner pot comes in its own little set, and you can just take the inner pot on its own if you want, or you can take them as a set. I like to carry this when I'm on solo trips or just with a couple of people as a smaller pot, rather than carrying everything. So it's quite versatile in that respect. The bag that the inner pot comes in doubles as a cozy. It's got a nice little strap on it, so you can just hold it gently, or nice and easily when you've got hot food in there, and it also keeps your hot food hot. You see there it's insulated. What I love is the spondonicles or pot grippers with the SOTO, which unfortunately we haven't been able to buy separately because everyone loves them. They're spring loaded, unlike the Trangia or other ones that you see. So they make a really good set of little tongs, but they're also just great for grabbing those pots nice and quickly. Okay. You get a little cleaning cloth in there, which you can use just to put your spondonicles in so they don't rattle around. Little thermal disc so you can sit that down underneath your gas canister to stop it freezing up, or just to sit your pot on the ground so it doesn't melt through any snow or burn any surface. Okay. One thing I love about these pots is when you use them in straining mode, spondonicles fit through there no problems, and you've got another little lid which you can hold onto, little handle. So when you're straining, there's less risk of the lid coming off or you burning yourself. When it's boiling away and you want to grab the lid off, you can just grab it by that nice and easily as well, and you don't burn yourself. Inside the inner pot, there's plenty of space for you to throw my favourite stove, the SOTO Wingmaster. You can throw that just inside, little bag, make the spondonicles in there, throw them all in there. There's enough room for a gas can. And you've got a nice compact little cook set just for the solo trips. That is the SOTO Wingmaster and Navigator Cook Set, complete in a nice little set, both available at Past Outdoors.